Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the latest version of Blender software. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser. I'm using the Chrome. You can use any browser that you want, and here search for Blender download and go. And on top of the search result you can see their official website blender.org. Just click download Blender. And after that it will bring you to this page, and here you can see this is the latest version of the Blender and it is also for the Windows. Just click it, and after that your download will automatically start it. As you can see, the download already began. I already downloaded it previously. I'm gonna go to this folder that I have the downloaded file, and now double click it and select run here. And as you can see, the Windows installer is preparing to install the file. And now click the next option here and select I accept the terms in the license agreement, and select next here, and leave all of this as it is. The default will be just fine, and just click install here. And as you can see, the installation process is began. It will take a few seconds to completely install the file. Click yes, and the process is started. So we have to wait now. As you can see, the installation process is finished. Just click the finish option here, and here is my Blender software. Now double click to open, and this is the interface. Now you can design anything that you want to like in the Blender. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.